Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to book a mechanic through YourMechanic. So first, open YourMechanic website or app, then enter your vehicle information including the make, model and the year. Next, choose the service or repair you need. Then YourMechanic will show you available service options and pricing information based on the vehicle and requested work. Then you need to enter your location and choose an available appointment date and time. Review the mechanic service details, estimated price and appointment information before confirming. And once everything looks correct, then complete the booking process. After that, you'll receive confirmation with the appointment details and information about the mechanic who will perform the service. So that was how to book a car mechanic through YourMechanic. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.